My name is Melissa Tashin with Compost Crusader, one of the organics haulers as part of the SARE grant. One of the things that I'm most passionate about within the plan is educating food waste generators. Currently as a hauler, we've been doing it for about 4 years now, and we see a lot of contamination that's in the workforce from high turnover places like restaurants or places that have seasonal employment like schools and things like that. So we would really like to be able to focus more on education. One of the ways that I believe we can do that is through buy-in from local celebrities, getting a Bucks spokesperson for their new arena. They're looking at actually composting their new arena. So being able to solidify a message from a spokesperson, that is a celebrity of some sort that is able to unify the message all across the city. So it's the same message that's being promoted in the schools, it's the same message that's being promoted at the arena, and it's the same message that's being promoted with the residential compost pilots in the area.